as we progress on our spiritual path, and that may be as a meditator or as a yogi or practicing Reiki, whatever you're doing to develop your mind and your spirit, you will probably at some point realize you are becoming more sensitive. And this is something I want to address in this video. If you're interested in these types of topics, please subscribe so that each new video that I'm answering a question for one student, I can actually help all of my students and all of my friends. So as we become more sensitive with our spiritual practice, we attune to things more easily. We tune into positive energies. Let's say the beauty of nature really touches us, but also maybe some of the darker energies we may become more sensitive to. And the question today comes concerning nightmares. I've had two students in recent weeks talking about their dreams. A couple of months ago, one student was saying that she always felt like she was running away from something. And she didn't know really what it was. She just knew she was always running and she'd wake up really scared. And now more recently, another student talks about being asleep and this terrible feeling of being unable to move, like something was strangling her or holding her still. So these are both Reiki students. They are both practicing meditation. And now some things are coming up through the dreams. The cool thing here is that the dream is there to teach us something. The dream, coming from the subconscious, is trying to communicate something to us. So how do we tap into that message? The technique is really easy and it's kind of fun. Here's all you do. Before you lay down to bed, prepare a blank notebook and a pen by the side of the bed. Now, set it by the side of the bed. And then as you're laying down to sleep, you have an intention in mind. Tonight, of course, I'll be dreaming. I would like that dream to communicate to me whatever it is I need to learn. Okay? Just set the intention. This is what I'm going to do during my dreams. And then also set the intention that the first thing in the morning when I wake up, I will immediately roll over and start describing whatever details I can remember from the dream. Now, you don't have to interpret it right away. I would suggest practicing this for a few weeks. Get a collection of dreams. Let's say in 2 or 3 weeks, you might have 10 or 15 dreams that you've written about. When you get that many dreams, you'll start seeing, let's say, like a pattern in your thoughts coming up. And as you see that pattern, you are better prepared to recognize something that your subconscious is trying to get into your consciousness. Okay? So by setting the intentions before we go to bed, and then writing them down immediately, we are like in a dialogue between our conscious and our subconscious minds. And this works. This is how we communicate some deeper level of ourselves. In meditation terms, I would say we bring mindfulness into our dreams. Okay, so whether the dreams are positive or negative, there's something to learn there. So try it out, see how it works, give it a few weeks, see how it works, and then please share your experience with us. Leave a comment down below in a couple of weeks after you've practiced this, and let us know if you've learned something about your deeper self that you'd like to share with all of us. Great, great. So give that a try and continue practicing. Thank you so much. Bye.